Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you love to eat really amazing food but you don't like all the fuss and hassle to go along with it, then definitely hit the subscribe button because that is exactly what we do here. And today we are making a baked corned beef. My family asks for this every year around St. Patrick's Day, and I just had to share it with you guys. So this is just a store-bought corned beef brisket that you find in your meat aisle, and it has one of these little packets with it, and I'll show you here in a little bit how to kick it up a notch. All right, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open this guy up, and you don't really know if this is truly necessary, but when you pull it out of the bag, it's slimy. There's just no other way to describe it. It's just slimy. So I like to give it a good rinse. It's probably fine if you don't, but I don't like slimy meat. So go ahead and rinse off your little spice packet. Get that dried off. And then put your meat fat cap up. Do that. Now there are two different types of corned beef that you will find in your meat section. One is a flat cut and one is a tip cut. And the tip cut is exactly what it sounds like. It comes to a point, or it's a point cut. I like the flat cut because I think it cooks more evenly. I was gonna say more evenly-er, that's not a word. So it cooks more evenly if it's a consistent size cut of meat. Okay, so massage that spice packet into the fat cap of your corned beef, and then if you want to kick the flavor up just a little notch, go ahead and get a pickling spice. Now this is different, or maybe they use it for the same one for making pickles. It's a little confusing, but if you look on the directions back here, it specifically tells you what to do for corned beef if you are boiling it. But we are not boiling it, we are baking it, which I think is far superior. Okay, so go ahead and shake a little bit of that onto your meat. These are just wonderful herbs and spices, like allspices, cloves, bay leaves, all sorts of wonderful, wonderful things going on in here. All right, and then loosely cover it. So there's a little bit of air in here. I have not covered it super tight because you want the meat to steam in on itself. And then we are going to put this in a 275-degree oven for 6 hours. I know, it's a slow bake, but I kid you not, put it in first thing in the morning, it'll make your house smell amazing. And then this guy is ready to go for 6 hours. We're not gonna wait around for that because I've got another one in the oven that I started this morning, and it should be ready to come out. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. All right, now we're ready to open this up and finish it off. Now that you've had your meat in the oven, slowly cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and scrape some of these spices to the side, and then we're gonna put this back into the oven under a high broil. We're gonna burn the fat cap off and brown it up. Put this bad boy back in. Ooh, bottom's a little hot. And we're gonna put it up high, and we're just gonna watch that for a couple of minutes until it's all browned up and the fat cat is burned off. Okay, so this has been under the broiler for probably 2.5, 3 minutes. There we go. And you can see that the fat cap has burned off quite a bit and it's nice and brown. Looks so good. Okay. Okay, so let's see how tender this is. And the reason why I love this corned beef more than if you boil it is because it's so tender, but it stays together and doesn't completely fall apart and it doesn't disintegrate, but it's got a great texture and a fabulous flavor. So I hope you enjoy this. Hope you make it for St. Paddy's Day or any time of year. If you find a corned beef brisket at your grocery store, pick it up, make it like this. You will love it. So make sure to subscribe and hang out for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Ooh, I want to taste this. Oh, it's super hot though. That just melts in your mouth. I need a moment. Oh, it is hot. Oh my gosh, super tender. Definitely check this out. Bye, guys.